Did it for the gram.
What's up, everybody? Haas here. Before we jump into the video, let me tell you how we got here. So over the past few years that I've been in drifting and motorsports, the thing that I realized, there's nothing more fun than actually going out there and drifting with your friends. So for the past year, myself and a couple of my buddies, we've been looking to build a drift car that we can use kind of for the community. We can use it for our friends to go skid around, other content creators to come slide around with us, but also use it as a tool to teach other people how to drift. So after a year of being patient and waiting and not overspending for a piece of crap chassis, I would say we probably had the best case scenario fall right here in our lap. We are building on a budget. We are building to have some fun. And this is the story on the Junkyard E46 M3.
What's up, brother? Guys, y'all know Austin. You've seen videos of me and Austin drifting at Wild Horse. So Austin, let's go in the back shop because we got to talk before we even take a look at this thing. And if you can just do an elaboration of what is AZ Euros.
So AZ Euros, we are a sales, service, and importing center here in Mesa, Arizona. So we handle everything except for bodywork, basically anything automotive. So we import cars primarily from Canada. We have pulled in some JDM cars. We're actually the only registered importer in the state of Arizona. So if you need an AZ title, we can get it for you. Service-wise, we handle everything. We have an in-ground dyno, in-ground alignment lack, pretty much anything Euros. So VAG, BMW, Porsche, Mercedes, anything. And then the sales side of it, we primarily try to get like the wild, crazy, you know, blues, yellows, greens, manual transmission cars, wagons, all the rare, cool Euro cars is what we try to sell. The car had been sitting for probably a year or two. This was a supercharged S54. The previous shop pulled the motor apart or bought another one or something ended up happening, you know, projects happen, and it just sat and it's been sitting. Myself and the owner here at AZ Euros were like, oh yeah, black on black M3 manual, we'll take it. It's kind of like a Legos when it comes to BMW. You can pretty much put any motor in that car. So we got it sight unseen and I was like, man, this is such a perfect car for Corey.
Anytime somebody says they have a good deal on a car like this, it's like, all right, one, how much is it going to cost and how bad is it? So how long do you think it was sitting outside for?
At least 2 years, if I had to guess, maybe 3.
Got any like rattlesnakes or gerbils or anything?
No.
New car?
She might need a little bit of love. Okay, so the first thing, look, is you already noticed, obviously it's been sitting, so the brakes are a little rusted over. You can just throw new rotors on there. But you got VMR wheels on it. Okay, ain't scared about that. Probably scratch those and get some rotiforms. The one ugly thing, oh my God, look at the side skirts. Window trim here. You got the old sun-rotted, typical BMW stuff. Oh no, the turn blinker. Dude, it's actually not bad at all.
It's a solid car, and it's very, very complete.
Oh no, the turn blinker.
There was no incidents on this thing. No like crashes, no nothing. It looks straight from here, but it should be unlocked. Look at the door cards are still in decent shape. The seats are actually not bad. Way better than I thought. Holy crap. But look at the interior. Look at the seats. The interior is so minty, guys. What the hell? Oh, sweet. What's this? Oh, dude, these guys burning CDs. You got Sublime, Radiohead, Ja Rule. Do you know what? You could keep the car. Let me take the CDs. The CDs were worth the car purchase. Oh, we got a PlayStation 2 game. Look at this. All right, tail lights. Just spray painted like.
Yeah, like they see the tape line.
Oh yeah. You can kind of see the.
I mean, it has a very early 2000s vibe. Blacked out tail lights.
It does have that.
I haven't even opened the trunk yet. Nice.
Oh, we got goodies. Got like the cover. Ooh, we could give this stuff away. We got fan shrouds.
Yeah, engine bay trim.
Engine bay stuff. We got a upgraded sound system. Sweet. We're gonna keep that. You got the fan clutch. Drill bits. Oh! Go hard. We can take it apart and put it together right here. And it's complete. Dude. Metric. Cobalt daddies. Let's go. Let's see what this receipt is for. 2015. So this has probably not been open since 2015. Oh, are you gonna do it? Oh. No!
Nothing.
All right, well.
No refunds.
Can we knock like $600, $800 off? For something that's 20 years old, it's still looking pretty good. Considering that, wait, do the hood struts still work? Oh, no. Yeah, this thing has been sitting for some time. You could tell, like, just...
I mean, these are kind of cool to still see on a car, but
most of the stuff is probably going to come out. Because the whole idea, guys, is to eventually put an LS in this thing within the next 2 months, 3 months. And there's plenty of swap kits that allow us to drop that motor right in. It needs a bath. Power. Look at that. Boom, baby. 135,000 miles. Oh, sheesh. Sub is slapping right now. Damn, boy.
well, M3 mirrors, M3 door sills. Dude, it's even got an M3 floor mat still in it.
All right, well.
No refunds. No longer available from BMW.
Really, the floor mats alone?
Yeah, you can't get them anymore.
The key battery still works? Oh, we're not getting rid of that either. Oh no!
E46 problems.
That's common.
Yeah. Don't worry, I got some side tape at the house, dude.
$50. Who wants it? A little bit of build up, a little bit of funk. Fire in the hole.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Feels like one lap.
Damn!
She's here at the shop. Haas is so excited. He can't even contain himself.
Did it for the gram.
Now that we got the car finally in our possession, it's time to go through it, start taking things apart and getting ready for the interior, the motor swap, and everything that is going to require to get the BMW finally on the racetrack. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, but also follow me on twitch.tv/Haas if you guys want to watch this action live, but also leave a comment below. Actually, let me ask you this. What is the best drift chassis out there? E46, S13, S14? Comment below. See you guys later.